Okay, diagnosing a phone line fault again. The phone just started randomly ringing and there's no one there. I'll show you. You can hear there's something wrong. Should be a dial tone. So, we get our testing equipment out before we call them to fix it, because I don't pay a lines charge, repair charge, which is $3.95 a month for fixing your internal wiring, so I can do my own. Okay, we'll go and check it off. Now here's the rig. Got a 1 hang low multimeter for that. Got the wiring, and I've connected a probe that I purchased at some second-hand or end-of-life shop, and it's connected here into the ADSL port, because we have broadband here, which is not really broadband, but you have to put it into the ADSL side, because that's the unfiltered side. This plug won't fit into the phone plug, because that's the thing, so it goes from here. Oh, here we go again. I'll show you. Answer. There won't be anybody there. So it keeps doing that all the time, so just started doing it. Pretty normal out here. I've rang the repair guys at least 200 times. They never fix it properly, like it's a typical thing for New Zealand. Okay, it's plugged in. It goes here and it goes to our multimeter. Now there should be 64 volts. You go to 200 and we have a fluctuating voltage. 19 volts, that's pretty low. Definitely not going to make phone calls on 19 volts. And I'm on DC, it's not an AC current. Seems to be stable. Yep, it starts moving again, see? That's that clicking noises. The multimeter does average things, so we don't know what the voltage is, but if it's averaging 64 volts, you should be getting near 64 volts, which we are not, and I'll show you. It's probably not going to do anything on AC. That's going to 38. That's on alternating current. Now I'm probably going to hook up my oscilloscope, but I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be 64 volt DC. So I've seen it dropping to 0 at times, which it definitely shouldn't be doing. And this is the line for both broadband and analog copper wire phone. Okay, we're going to do our tests on where the wiring comes into the house. We heard it again. I just missed it. The phone's been ringing. I would like to have seen what the voltage is doing when the phone rings. But you can see how it's all over the place. And I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be around 64 volts. Even minus, see, now it's ringing. Minus 50. No one there. And okay, we're back. You got 18.8 volts, and I have to give one of them wires the chop so I can chop my wiring completely out of the picture, to be sure that no rat's been eating my wiring and causing a short up there. So this is where it goes upstairs. Yes, because that's where the splitter was. So keeping you focused on here while I'm giving this the chop. Nothing happened. So this means the problem is in the wiring from here onwards. It's not from here up to the office. So I would have to go to this grey pillar and do the next measurements, which you're not allowed to do. Okay, and we're back. You can see 53.9 volts, 53.8 volts. It's averaging. That's the voltage it is when the line's fixed. So you can go by voltage readings.